you have any questions about our school, you can find information at the Mary Lynn Kavanaugh Welcome Desk at the north end of the narthex. You may also register online at our St. Mark website. In order to preserve the dignity of the Eucharist we are about to celebrate, please take a moment to silence all cell phones and other electronic devices. Today we celebrate the solemnity of Mary, the Holy Mother of God. The infant conceived by the Holy Spirit in Mary's womb is both God and man. Please stand as we sing number 466, What Child Is This? Number 466.